How does the Ahmed glaucoma valve work?
In this model eye, we see a valve as it's implanted in the regular eye. These red stripes here represent the muscles that move the eye up and down, back and forth. This area here represents the cornea with the pupil behind it. The valve actually is not placed inside the eye, but on the surface of the eye between adjacent muscles. It's sutured there, then the valve tube is placed inside the eye where the fluid is, into what we call the anterior chamber. Then the covering of the eye, called the conjunctiva tenons tissue, is sewn back over the valve so that the valve cannot be seen nor felt. The purpose of the valve is to take the increased fluid and allow it to exit from the eye through a chamber here and a collector plate. The fluid therefore goes through the chamber, collects underneath the skin of the eye, and returns to the body by the blood vessels that are on the skin of the eye. This particular valve is unique in as much as it has a chamber that allows the fluid to be regulated. Straight valves that do not have chambers sometimes have trouble, especially in the early postoperative period where the pressure goes from a high pressure to a very low pressure and the front part of the eye collapses. This causes great problems with swelling inside the eye, sometimes hemorrhage.
The Ahmed glaucoma valve consists of a very small plate with a unique valve system that regulates your eye pressure. Attached to the plate is a tube that drains the fluid out of the eye, thus reducing the eye pressure. Implant surgery immediately reduces the pressure in the eye by giving the fluid a means to drain out more efficiently. Because the glaucoma implant is a valve, it adjusts itself according to the fluid pressure in the eye. There is a precise control on the amount of fluid that is allowed to flow through it. This ensures that there is no excessive drainage from the eye, which can be a serious problem. The Ahmed glaucoma valve is the only implant available with a unique valve mechanism, which prevents the excessive drainage of fluid from the eye. The Ahmed glaucoma valve is the best solution against hypotony,